I'm Brenda McDuffie with Curative Sound, the makers of the CS ProVet Shockwave, and I'm here with Dr. Kelly Vernon from Strong Strides Veterinary Rehabilitation and Acupuncture. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate it. First, could you tell us a little bit about yourself and your practice?
Sure. So I've had a mobile acupuncture and physical rehabilitation practice for about 3 years now. I transitioned out of a large general practice facility to focus exclusively on those modalities to help the pets in my area.
Excellent, excellent. Well, can you tell us what prompted you to bring Shockwave in as one of your services, and why did you choose the CS ProVet?
Sure. So I've seen good results with Shockwave in other clinics, and what has been less ideal for me was the size of the machine. So I was familiar with the modality and intrigued by having a Shockwave machine, but not lugging some huge piece of equipment around. So being able to have the portability has been great.
Awesome, awesome. And what type of applications do you treat on your patients? How do you incorporate it into your practice?
So definitely osteoarthritis. I have a lot of dogs that I see for chronic hip dysplasia and pain from that, elbow dysplasia, and I also see a fair bit of post-operative orthopedic patients.
Okay.
So working in the area, I get referrals from surgeons that are not local, and maybe those patients don't want to be traveling back. So I will use that to help improve their healing time after surgery.
Okay, and what type of results are you receiving?
I'm seeing great results with it. I'm seeing, since I've added that to my other modalities that I offer, I can space out the timing between seeing those patients again, and they're very tolerant to it. Sometimes I get results within 24 hours where they're improved. So even that little bit of time, we can see those patients be a little more mobile and more comfortable.
Okay, so if you were talking to a new vet that was considering adding the technology, what would you tell?
I would tell them to definitely look for shockwave therapy as a new modality in your practice. The application is simple as long as you know your anatomy, and there's plenty of training if you don't that's out there to help guide you, but the patients tolerate it and you see great results with it.
Oh, that's awesome. Well, I'm glad to hear that. On a business note, do you feel like it is a good it's a good revenue stream for your practice as a business builder?
Sure. I find that some people have actually already researched which modalities they are looking for. So being able to have Shockwave in my practice, when people are looking for specific modalities, that's always nice to have them seek you out. But it definitely, as far as investment, the return on investment has been great. I'm really happy with it.
Well, I so much appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Of course.